Okay, this video shows you normally what happens if you shoot without any kind of wind gag protection on the microphone. If you see here, I've actually got the no protection on at all on the microphone. So you'll imagine now, I think you can hear there's a lot of wind noise. I can't hear it because I haven't got headphones on clearly, but I would imagine that is now causing an awful lot of wind noise, and if I moved around it would actually potentially make it worse or better. So if you look at that now, the wind's died down slightly now, but ultimately the microphone works on sound and it works on sound pressure. So when you get a wind going across the top of it, it actually makes that awful wind sound noise. So again, this is looking straight into the sun. If I was really doing it, I really want to do something where I could actually see the picture, but there, if you look at that now, I'm in total silhouette, and there's probably flare on a camera as well. I can't even see the picture, so it's a bit of an issue. Shooting outside is always a bit of an issue because you can't really control things, and if now I take you probably get the full benefit of the wind going straight across the microphone. So it tends to ruin sound. People kind of get used to it now because but it's a very unprofessional sound. There is ways around it, and I can show you how to do that. But ultimately, it's basically a naked microphone which causes the problem. And there you go. That's what it sounds like.